everybody, welcome out to another Photogijoehero toy opening. Today I'm going to open up a Lady Jaye that's carded that I picked up at Walmart. They have a bunch of them on sale for $5, so I decided to grab one and compare it with what I already had. So thought it was worth doing that for $5. So we have card. It's obviously a reminder of the one that was the original carded figure long ago, with the explosion in the background and then the same shell and everything. And this one was put out with Baroness, with Gung Ho, with Destro. And then there's a couple others that are carded, but you pretty much only see Lady Jaye and Baroness at Walmart, sometimes Gung Ho. I've been waiting for them to put this on clearance for a long time. Had to ask them to match the website price, though, just to make sure that we got the discount. But okay, so this is, we'll get this one opened. See if I can avoid a plastic paper cut. Okay, so this one comes with a stand, which is nice. I'm guessing the sticker goes there. Don't have a sticker, but I guess it goes there. Maybe I'll check the box, see if there was something in there. But we have her backpack, her camera, because she's counterintelligence. We've got her gun that shoots staffs or javelins. And then we got the knife for her pocket. Got a different end for the javelin. Got the regular end and the regular javelin. And then we have Jaye herself. So just the regular articulation on her, just to cover that real quick. Same as every other classified. You got the shoulder, the bicep, double elbow, the hand, mostly, chest, waist, thighs, got the drop down, got the knees, and then the foot and the ankle, and then the neck. I feel like she has just a little bit of a long neck, but that's just me. We're gonna, so put the, actually I'm gonna leave everything out just as a comparison. So we'll get this stuff moved around. Okay, then I'm going to put out the other Lady Jaye just as a comparison. So hold right there. Okay, there they are side by side. So we have the carded and the non-carded. The obvious difference is the color. The left is more like the original figure was. You don't have all of the extra tips like you do with the original. Now doesn't want to come off. There's extra handle. They're gray instead of black. A little more paint on the knives. But the knife is still the same. Backpack is different. This is more like the original figure from 3 3/4. And then you don't have the figure without the hair, or without the hat. And then I didn't catch it before, but the hat symbol is different as well. So I kind of like the this one, the one that's more of the retro look, better. I do like this one. I liked having the without the hat. So I'll definitely use them differently, but yeah. So anyway, that is Lady Jaye from Carded, and let me know what you think, which you would prefer. Well, would you rather have the original one from Classifieds or Carded? This one does look like she has a little bit more makeup than the original. Anyway, yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe and like if you get a chance. Let me know what other figures that you'd like me to review. I know, or to open. Usually it's what I get discounted and feel like opening, but yeah. Okay, well, there's Lady Jaye. I'll get some pictures up of her, and Photogijoehero out.